Hello everyone, today I'm sharing a new fertilizer tip for orchids. With simple ingredients from home, it helps orchids bloom and grow roots all year round. First, we'll use a spray bottle to lightly mist the orchid with clean water. This helps the plant open its stomata tiny pores on the leaf surface, making it easier for the plant to absorb nutrients from the fertilizer we'll apply afterward. Gently spray all over the leaves and roots, just enough to moisten the surface without soaking it. Think of it as waking the plant up and preparing it to receive nourishment more effectively. Next, we're going to use coconut water. Coconut water is rich in natural enzymes, sugars, and minerals like potassium and calcium, which help boost root growth and support overall plant health. Use 100 milliliters of coconut water. Let's dilute the mixture with 1,000 milliliters of clean water. Soak it for 20 minutes. Prepare 3 cloves of garlic. Peel the garlic cloves. Garlic has several beneficial effects on orchids when used properly. It contains allicin, a natural compound known for its strong antifungal and antibacterial properties. Chop the garlic into small pieces. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to support me and never miss any orchid care tips. Pour 500 milliliters of water. Stir the solution. Soak it for 30 minutes. After about 30 minutes, once the nutrients from the garlic have been released into the water, give the mixture a good stir. And then strain it through a fine mesh or cloth. This will remove any solid garlic pieces and leave you with a clean, usable solution that's safe to apply to your orchid. Alright, so first up, we're going to use a garlic solution to wipe down the leaves of the orchid. Garlic contains sulfur compounds and allicin, which act as natural antifungals and antibacterials. These properties help the orchids stay resilient against pests and diseases. Now, when we wipe the top surface of the leaves, we're helping to stimulate the stomata, the tiny pores that let the plant breathe and perform photosynthesis. I recommend doing this either early in the morning or in the late afternoon. Okay, so after letting the garlic solution sit for about 20 minutes, now we're going to combine it with some fresh coconut water. Now, we're going to pour our garlic and coconut water solution into a misting bottle. This step is super helpful, especially for those of you who are busy but still want your orchids to thrive. Misting this way makes it easier for the plant to absorb nutrients directly through the leaves and even helps maintain the right humidity around the roots. Orchids naturally take in moisture and nutrients not just from the roots but also through their leaves, especially in the early morning or late afternoon when their stomata open. You can use this misting routine once a week, but avoid spraying it directly on the flowers or buds. Once the plant starts blooming, it's best to keep the solution away from the petals to avoid stress or spotting. Next, we'll water the orchid thoroughly using the garlic and coconut water solution. This method allows the roots to fully absorb all the beneficial nutrients from the mixture. Garlic provides natural antifungal and antibacterial properties that help strengthen the plant's immune system, while coconut water is rich in cytokinins, electrolytes, and essential minerals that promote strong root growth and overall vitality. We only soak the orchid for about 20 minutes any longer, and the excess moisture can backfire, increasing the risk of root rot, especially in humid conditions. Soak it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, let's use a soft cloth to gently dry the plant. This helps remove any excess moisture from the leaves and roots, preventing fungal issues and allowing the plant to breathe properly. By drying the plant properly, we're helping it transition into its next care stage more safely. After the plant is soaked long enough to absorb all the nutrients from the solution, we're going to gently take it out. Make sure to lift it carefully to avoid damaging the roots, which are now soft and more absorbent. So now it's been 3 weeks, and let's take a closer look at the leaves. Oh, can see, they've started to regain some of their firmness and healthy green color. As you can see, there's some clear improvement. The roots are starting to plump up. They look more hydrated and have a healthy silver-green color in some areas. This orchid has vibrant green leaves, and its root system is also looking really strong and healthy. The yellow blooms on this orchid are absolutely stunning. They bring a bright, cheerful energy to the whole plant, and they really stand out in the garden. And that's it for today's orchid care update. Thanks so much for watching and joining me on this journey to healthier, stronger plants. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tip. Drop a comment below to share your own orchid stories or questions. I love hearing from you.